Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are super important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know what to rank it for. So you'll see your URL is here and come down to your H1 tag and it says you have too many H1 tags. You have services, professional installation, and maintenance. You really should have one H1 tag. But let me show you here on your website where these are. So right here, services and professional installation maintenance. You really don't want them so low. You really want them, they should be right here, like even on top of this picture right here. That would be the perfect place for it. And your H1 really should have your city or your county plus your service. For example, Sonoma County electrician. You have your keyword, especially on your home page. And the other item that goes hand in hand with this is the metadata. So if you come here, I did a Google search for Sonoma County electricians, and you'll see all these blue lines here. These are the metadata. So you'll see that the top guy is talking about Sonoma County electrician, and that's why they're at the top. When you pull yours, you're not really found anywhere on page 1. I actually went ahead and found you on, I think you were on page 3 here. Let's see down here. Yeah, you're right here, page 3. So you'll see your title tag is Lunardi Electric. So if someone were to Google that, you'd be at the top. But obviously nobody knows to Google that when they're looking for an electrician. They're going to Google something like Sonoma County electrician, Sonoma County electrical companies, or a similar keyword. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. Just these small little changes will really help you rank. And also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't use Google, because a lot of times business owners, they'll punch in their keyword here, and then as the weeks go by, they keep checking the same Sonoma County electricians or similar keyword, and then Google is going to start moving you up because they already see what you're looking for. So instead, you always want to use a third-party tool. I go ahead and I use this company called Rank Tracker. You can always get a free subscription for a month if you want. But anyway, basically, you put in your URL and your keywords, and it'll check your ranking every single day. So I have you pulled up here. You'll see your company, and then I went ahead and added keywords, and I went ahead and added your company name just to show you. If somebody Googled that, you'd be number 1. But again, nobody's going to Google that because they don't know to look for that when they're looking for an electrician. So you're here on, like I said, page 3 for Sonoma County electrical companies. I saw you were in Sebastopol. I'm here in Sonoma, so I'm local. So, but you're ranking a little bit not too bad. You're like on page 4, 5. Sorry, page 3, 4. But again, I'm guessing you don't want to rank just for Sebastopol because it's a small town. You want to shoot for Sonoma County. And basically, once you add your H1 and then change your metadata based on whatever keyword is, that could help your rank super fast. And I really like your website. I just think there's a couple things I could do to make it more appealing, but most importantly, get you to ranked on the first page of Google, which will significantly increase your income, because that's really where 90% of traffic is. Most people just don't check past page 1. They're Googling something. If you have any questions, just reply to this email, and let's get you on the first page of Google and get that phone ringing off the hook. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you lots of success.